Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome to those of you watching on onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, reaction to the Bank of Jamaica's caution to private sector firms to be mindful of massive wage increases to their employees.
Our team gauged the views of several stakeholders, and we kickstart our coverage with Javon Keys, who spoke with two financial experts.
The central bank on Monday made commentary on wages in the private sector, urging businesses to keep salary adjustments in line with inflation in a bid to stem further cost pressures from a massive increase. A statement which has raised eyebrows in some circles as a number of employees look forward to possible adjustments, with some still recovering from wage freezes or even cuts due to the COVID-19 pandemic. They were also hit with higher prices over the last 2 years, with annual inflation peaking at 11.9% as at April 2022. But why does the BOJ hold this view? Keisha Bailey is a financial expert.
With this tight labor market and that 4.5% unemployment rate being so low, it creates a strain then if we have a sudden and drastic increase in wages. So the statement wasn't necessarily not to increase wages, but if we are to increase wages past that 6% to 7% nominal increase, then that wage increase should be backed up with productivity increase as well, if we want to maintain stability in the inflation rate.
Development economist Dr. Nelson Chris Stokes says he doesn't think the BOJ statement will have any material impact on actual wage decisions in the private sector.
Firms will act in a way that is in their interest. So if it is in their interest to pay this guy a 20% wage increase because that is going to deliver more value to the company, I do not think that they're going to stop and say, governor is suggesting 6 to 7, maybe we shouldn't do that. That's just not the way the free market works, and not the way that firms make decisions.
As it relates to increasing output,
the key driver of increased productivity is going to be technology, given that the returns from increasing technological inputs. Being a heavy service-based country, however, there are challenges with integrating technology within the services sector. And I think some focus needs to be given there if we want to see these productivity increases that everyone so desperately needs. Part
of the drivers of productivity is that people don't feel like they are being compensated enough. They may not be as productive as they otherwise would have been. So what comes first?
They also gave this warning to businesses.
The BOJ governor's sentiment should not be used as an excuse to not grant wage increases, because the comments were not to have zero, but he had said specifically it is hope that there is no substantial increase, the key word being substantial and not none.
Javon Keys, TVJ News.